By default, GardenCAD works with a standard dimensioning style. By dimension style, I mean the look and the feel of the dimension. Here's a dimension here. You might be able to see that it's got a certain sort of grade look to the lines, and the text is in a textile Arial. There's a certain distance that the text is above the line, and instead of arrows, this style has been defined as an architectural tick mark. So clearly this drafter has changed the information or changed the style of dimensions. So if we go to dimension and styles, if we go to list first, by default there is a style called standard, which by and large works very well in the imperial feet and inches environment, but does need some tweaking for the metric environment. The first thing I'd do is go to the units column. You really want precision turned to 0 so that millimeter numbers like 2258 here don't show any decimal places. And don't touch the measurement scale. We can talk about that in another movie, but I'm intending to plot this drawing out at a scale of 1 to 100, so I type a 100 in that box. So that's really all you need to do on that units page. Come then to the text. Change text height from quite a low value to 4 and offset from dim line to 2. These units don't have any relationship to real distances. The lines and arrows I've changed to 6, and I've made extend beyond the dimension line 500, an offset from the origin 250, a center line mark we can talk about later. But here's where we change. Say if I now move from architectural tick mark to closed field, and I might change the arrow size as well in a moment, but I've made a little change there. Here's where we set the color of the dimension line, and it's currently grey. That could be any color you want. So I've made a small change from, in this case, from architectural tick to a closed arrow. So we just go OK, and you'll see the drawing automatically regenerates and shows the effect of changing that dimension style. So you can change that dimension style very easily. In this version of GardenCAD, I can go here to this little toolbar and also make a new dimension style. So down here I can say new, and I'll change this to, let's say, 1 to 100, and we'll go to units and just run through those settings that we worked through before. And I could create a new, I could create a series of dimension styles, and then I'll cancel from there and just simply change from one dimension style to another. So it'd just be a matter of selecting. If you wanted to change and plot at 1 to 50, you might have a style 1 to 50, click on properties, and under style in this box here, you just click 1 to 50 or 1 to 100. So you can change things very, very easily when you create a series of dimension styles.